Here we go, y'all. This gonna be good. This gonna be very, very good.
And then you let me know then if I'm lying or not. Yeah, that's the thing. I come with receipts. Let's talk about another subject, shall we? You talk about sex, right?
I'm trying to figure this out real quick. What? You said you would let me talk.
Now let's talk about Kama Sutra. Do you know what that is? Do you know what Kama Sutra is?
You said you would let me talk.
Go ahead. I mean, I'm just straightforward. I'm a straight shooter. See, I'm just doing what you do to me, what you do to everybody else. I'm just giving you a taste of it.
I'm letting you talk, and then you keep cutting
Well,
me
let me
off.
ask you this question. Just change that because you're not going to win that debate.
I think you're afraid of my.
No, I'm not actually. You the one. Let me ask you another question. Do you? Let me ask you a question, Alicia. No, I'm gonna ask you a question because the thing about it. Let me ask you another question. Do you know what Kama Sutra is? Do you know what that is? Yeah, I'm a challenge.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what it is. Tell me what Kama Sutra is.
It's awakening of the Kundalini through sexual activity.
It's the book of sex. How many positions are in that book?
Oh my God, lady, you gonna let me talk or what?
Let me ask you the question. How many books are in? How many positions in the book?
I don't know. I don't know how many books.
1,800.
1,800. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else before you're gonna let me talk?
Yes, there is one more thing.
What is it?
You say that polygamy is in the Bible, correct? That is what you say, right?
Why are you switching? Can I answer one question before we move to the next one?
Because I'm the type of person, I like to keep things spicy. I don't like to say, I'm a Gemini, I'm indecisive.
Right, but I would like to answer. Can you stop cutting me off so I can answer the first question, lady?
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm just being.
Are you noticing how you have no self-control?
Oh, I have self-control. I'm just being absolutely positively just being me.
Aggressive? All right, so.
Oh no, I'm not being aggressive at all. Actually, I'm being a woman. I'm actually just being a queen. Go ahead. By all means, go ahead.
Okay. So first of all, we never proclaimed to be living. I just said this yesterday if you watch me. We never proclaimed to be living completely.
Yes, you have. I have a video that can prove that. Go ahead.
Well,
go ahead.
Pull that video up because we never proclaimed.
Give me 1 second. Give me a minute. Let me pull it up for you. Let me pull it up for you.
What in the world is anyone stupid? I'm on the internet. We tell people.
You have said on multiple occasions that you live in nature.
Stop cutting me off. Like, word is born. You cut me off one more time, I'm gonna end this shit. Like, you gonna stop cutting me off.
Let me say this something. Goodbye, you. Bye.
Exactly. You know what the drill is. That bitch crazy. We already told people we live mid-grid because we got a message to say. I just told Rambo yesterday that we're not in a time, we're in an age of information. We have to be on the internet because the trumpets and the horns and my message has to be heard to everybody. I already explained about cells in the body. How am I supposed to get all of the cells to hear what we're saying? And also, just because we live in modern day time doesn't mean that we take away all of the advancements of humanity. Because